Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss logic gates. What is logic gate? It is a basic building block of any digital circuit. With the help of these logic gates, we can implement any combinational circuit. There are different types of gates: basic gates, universal gates, and arithmetical circuits. This is your AND gate, symbol of AND gate. This is symbol of OR gate. This is symbol of NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, and NOR gate. In all these gates, except NOT, all having two inputs or more than two inputs, but only one output. In case of NOT gate, there is only one input and one output. Now we will see each gate one by one. Now first of all, basic gate. What is the significance of basic gate? Why basic gates are called basic gate? Because with the help of combination of basic gates, we can implement any Boolean function or any digital circuitry. So basic gates are called basic gates. There are three basic gates: AND, OR, and NOT. These AND gate, first of AND gate. In case of AND gate, this is your symbol. In case of AND gate, output becomes high only if all inputs are high, otherwise low. 0 if inputs are 0 0, output is 0. If all inputs 1 and 1, if all inputs are high, output becomes high, otherwise low. And expression for this is Q equal to output equal to AB, A dot B. From where it is coming? I think you are already aware with SOP and POS in case of digital electronics, in case of basic electronics. In this, there is only one minterm, that is 1 1, this. So output will be Q equal to A dot B. In minterms, X represents 1 and X bar represents 0, sum of product. So there is only one minterms, 1. So 1 means A B and 1 means A dot B. So it is coming A dot B. Next basic gate is your OR gate. In case of OR gate, output becomes high if any one input is high. If all inputs are low, output becomes low, otherwise high. And again you can see from the truth table, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. In single line you can say if any one input is high, output becomes high, otherwise low. And expression for this is A plus B. Now in this case you can see there is only one max term, 0 0, and there are three minterms, 1 1. Now according to max term, we will write down the expression. 0 means A, B, and this 0 means A plus B. In POS 1, POS is nothing, is the product of sum. In this case, X equal to 0, X bar equal to 1. So expression will be A plus B. Now next basic gate is NOT gate. It is NOT gate. this is the symbol. In case of NOT gate, there is only one input and one output. Suppose input is A, output will be Y equal to or Q equal to A bar. In case of NOT gate, if input is 0, output becomes high. If input is low, output becomes high. If input is high, output becomes low. This is nothing, complement of input, Q equal to A bar. NOT gate is also called inverter. Next, universal logic gates. In case of universal logic gates, again there are two universal logic gates. One is NAND gate and another one is NOR gate. Either with the help of NAND gate or with the help of NOR gate only, we can implement any Boolean function and any digital circuit. So these two gates are called universal gate. Now NAND gate. NAND is nothing, it is AND plus NOT. This is your AND gate symbol and this is NOT. AND plus NOT, and this is your truth table. 0 plus 0 equal to 0 and complement 1. 0 plus 1 1 and complement 0 plus 0 into 0 0 and complement 1. 0 plus 1 0 into 1 0 and complement 1. 1 into 0 0 complement 1. 1 into 1 1 complement 0, and expression will be Q equal to A dot B whole bar. Next is NOR gate. NOR gate, it is nothing, this is OR plus, this is your OR plus NOT gate, OR plus NOT gate, and this is your truth table. 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. And last two gates are arithmetical circuits, XOR gate and XNOR gate. In case of XOR gate, first we will see XOR gate. This is your XOR gate symbol. This is XOR gate symbol. 0 XOR 0, this is 0. 0 XOR 1 1, 1 XOR 0 is 1, 1 XOR 1 0. How will you remember this truth table? If there are even number of ones at input, output becomes 0, otherwise high. 0 0, total number of inputs. In this case there is no 1, so 0. In this case there are two inputs, 1 means 2 means even, so it is 0. In this case only 1, so odd, means if there are even number of ones at input, output is low. If odd number of ones, output becomes 0. In case of more than 2 inputs, suppose input is 1 0 1, in this case what will be the output? 1 0 1. 1 0 1 means there are two inputs are high, so output will be 0. Suppose inputs are 1 1 1, output will be high. Why? Because there are odd number of inputs. And last one is your XNOR gate. This is your XNOR gate. A XOR B bar. A XOR B whole bar. Expression will be A bar B bar plus AB. In this case, if even number of ones at input, output will be high, otherwise low. 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 means it is the reverse process of XOR gate. Now you can see this truth table where we can use this. if both inputs are same, 0 0 output is high, 1 1 1. If both inputs are high, output is high. If both inputs are same, output is high, otherwise low. You can use it in magnitude compare. Suppose you have to compare two number A or B. If both are equal, output is high, otherwise low. Later on you will see how to do it. And this is your XNOR gate. What are the other names of XNOR gate? This is your XNOR gate. If both are same, output is high, so it is also called coincidence circuit. Coincidence circuit. Other names of XNOR gate is coincidence circuit and equivalent detector. Equivalent detector. 0 0 means equal, so 1 1 1 equal, so it is 1. Different, so 0. Different, so 0. It is also called equivalent detector or inclusive OR gate. So you have to remember other names of XNOR gate are equivalent detector, coincidence circuit and inclusive OR gate. And now you can see this XOR gate. I think you are already aware with staircases. Okay, in stairs you have connection of your light. One switch is in first floor and one switch is in ground floor, and you can switch on or switch off from anywhere, from either ground or from first floor. So this is the example of your XOR gate. Okay, this is all about your types of logic gates. Now you can see this is your AND gate, and reverse of AND gate is NAND gate. Reverse of OR gate is NOR gate. Reverse of XOR is NOR gate. Now there are duality theorem. Duality theorem. What is duality theorem? In case of duality theorem, plus is interchanged by dot. Okay, if there is plus, you have to change it into dot or dot into plus, and 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So what is the dual of AND gate? Dual of AND gate is OR gate. Dual of NAND is NOR gate. Dual of XOR is XNOR gate. And what is the dual of NOT? Dual of NOT gate is again NOT gate. This is the only gate which does not having any dual. So you have to remember this thing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.